Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes here on YouTube, and welcome to Makeup Monday. If you are new and you like, what is Makeup Monday? What is she talking about? Pretty much every Monday I sit here and I either review products, test them out, or we simply just sit down and film a makeup tutorial, which is some of my favorites. So today I wanted to sit down and do a review on the Makeup Revolution foundation stick. This is such a hot item right now. I also wanted to review the Makeup Revolution contour sticks. These are in the shade medium. I did order these off of the Makeup Revolution website. From what I know, they're not available at Ulta yet. So with that said, if you guys are ready to jump into this video with me, then let's go ahead and get started. Can we just talk really quickly about adding fruits or like very refreshing items to your water? I've been obsessed with adding strawberries. Sometimes I add like lemon wedges. It's the best. I totally spaced to show you guys this, but I'm also going to be trying this little sponge. It is by the brand Stands Out Beauty. Guys, this thing is so weird. This is what it looks like. On the back here, it says that the first 3 to 5 times that it does recommend for you to use it damp, and then after that, water is optional. It's very cool. It shows you tips on how to use it. Like as far as like foundation and stuff. First things first, let's go ahead and prime our skin. You guys, you know that I've been obsessed with the Smashbox Photo Finish water. That's what I'm going to be using today because I just cannot put it down ever since I bought it, and I've made a pretty good dent on it. This is the foundation stick. The shade that I got was F10. To be honest with you, I don't know if this is even going to match me because they didn't have a lot of shades available at my local Ulta. And then these are the contour sticks which come with this. I don't remember the price of this. I will have it somewhere on the screen, but it was pretty affordable. And please excuse my nails. I know I've had the same color for the past 2 weeks, but if you guys didn't know, I was out in Vegas and I was gone for pretty much all week, and I just got back. So I need to make a nail appointment because these are not cute. I'm only going to add a little bit this time. I don't want to make the same mistake as I did with the Maybelline and apply so much that my face looks so cakey by the end of the day. And I'm going to take the sponge. Oh wow, that blended it out really fast and really nice. It feels so creamy on the skin, like it literally just glides on. Oh my god, I am so impressed by the way that this little sponge is blending everything out. It's literally seamless and it's not absorbing that much product. So there's the foundation. I think it looks really pretty. Let me look at it up close. I wouldn't say that this is full coverage. I think it's medium to full coverage. You can definitely build on it. For example, here I have a little bit of scarring, not scarring, but just some little pimples that are trying to play me. And let's move on to the contour sticks. Again, this is what it looks like. I am going to use this little brush because that's what it came with. So this is one side. What I liked about this was that it has 2 different sides with different colors, if that makes sense. This one is warm tone, and then this one is cool tone, which is perfect for actually contouring and then going in and bronzing the skin. So let's go in with the cool side, which is this right here, and let's apply that to the cheekbones, and then we can go in and actually bronze. Okay, maybe not. I don't know if that's gonna show up on my skin. Do you guys see that? It's very light and not very noticeable. So let's switch to the other side, which is this one. I can see it, but it's not super noticeable. I'm also going to drag that to the jawline. I'm going to take this side and start buffing it in. Okay, so this is blending out really nicely. I'm going to take the little sponge side and blend this nose contour. Let's try the highlighting side. So I'm going to go in with this shade and pretty much highlight everywhere. So I'm going to go underneath the cheekbone. Again, I'm not getting a lot of pigmentation out of this. I am going to have to dig into my concealer and apply a little bit underneath my eyes because I've had the worst sleep all week. So let me add a little bit of concealer because this ain't enough for mama. I'm just going to clean that brush because I also want to try and use it for the highlighting side, but I also want to use the sponge. So let's see. Okay, no, this sponge is not good for the concealer. That is much better. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am just going to bake. I'm going to let you guys watch, but I'm not going to talk through it because we're not, we're not reviewing any of that. But so far, I don't know that I'm feeling everything. You know what I mean? It's just, yeah, I don't know. I'm back. Now we are going to use the highlighting stick. So we're going to go right in here. Ooh, I can already tell she is going to be cute. I like that this highlight is not like super blinding, but you can definitely build it up. Like the more you apply, you see this? Like the more intense it gets if you really want it to be like bam in your face. And in honor, because we are using all Makeup Revolution products, I am going to top off my highlight with this shimmer brick in the shade Radiance, I believe. I don't know, honestly. It doesn't have a specific name. And I am going to use a little fan brush. I'm just going to run it through all these colors. Wow, I forget how pigmented these are. And we are done. Now that I have my bronzer, my blush, my highlight, everything put together, I like how it looked, and I think it's an okay product. But if you are really into cream contouring, honestly, this isn't the best. Again, I was a little bit disappointed, but I really have to say that I do like the brush, especially this side. It's really easy to just go in there and blend everything. When I saw this, the reason why I ordered it was because it really reminded me of the KKW, the cream contouring set. I've never bought any of the Kim Kardashian stuff or any of the Kardashians at all. This one is really similar, so maybe if you are interested in buying that, try this first. If you like this, keep it, and if not, then you can probably try the KKW and like that better. I don't know if I see myself using it again. The foundation, I really like how it looks on my skin. I definitely have to pick up a different shade, but the foundation is something that I see myself wearing again. I think that is it for me, guys. I am actually going to go ahead and leave. We are doing a little bit of grilling today. It is Sunday, family day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.